guide you through increasing your Remitly sending limits without experiencing unexpected transaction holds, failing compliance checks, or getting your profile locked for suspicious activity. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Every active profile on Remitly is regulated by a strict 3-tier verification structure designed to comply with international anti-money laundering frameworks. Attempting to process a high-value transfer that exceeds your default allowance will result in an immediate transaction rejection. So proactively submitting your verification credentials beforehand is the only secure way to unlock expanded sending capacities. To do this, open the official Remitly app on your mobile device or log into your portal at remitly.com. Tap the settings icon in the menu dashboard and select the sending limits option. Review your current tier status alongside your remaining 24-hour, 30-day, and 180-day caps. To increase your default Tier 1 limit, which restricts transfers to $2,999 daily, click on the Increase Limits button. Select Tier 2 to unlock a daily allowance of $6,000 and a 6-month cap of $36,000. Securely upload a crisp photo of your government-issued ID alongside a qualifying utility bill, bank statement, or lease agreement issued within the last 90 days. Opt for the maximum standard Tier 3 if you wish to unlock a $10,000 daily limit and a $60,000 6-month ceiling by providing your complete Social Security number or tax identification details. Scan and upload secondary compliance documentation, such as recent pay stubs, tax returns, or official property sale agreements, which establishes a transparent, verified source of funds for high-volume processing. Review your uploaded documents to ensure all text is fully legible and that the legal name on your identification matches your Remitly profile name exactly before hitting submit. Allow up to 48 hours for manual compliance reviews to clear. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.